how to fix Cash App your account is closed. So let's say your account was terminated for no reason or for a rightful reason. Here is how you can actually appeal it. So for this, we want to create a temporary Cash App account, which we will close after contacting support. So here's what we do. We have to click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Then from here, we have to go to support. And how can we help? We want to search for account closed. And you will see this option, can't access alt account. So just select it. And you want to click on chat. So basically here you will contact Cash App support directly. You will explain the issue to them, that your account with the cash tag is closed, so you have to write your cash tag right here so they know which account they're looking for. Ask them why your account was closed, and ask them if it's also possible for them to bring your account back. And in a few days they should get back to you with a response whether it's possible for them to get your old account back or if it's permanently closed. So hope this was informative. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.